The girl you met yesterday was my cousin's sister. The girl you met yesterday was my cousin. We need not use sister after the word cousin. I think he has caught a flu. I think he has caught flu. Flu, or the flu is correct. A flu is wrong. The magazine gives a list of all the smartphones in the market. The magazine gives a list of all the smartphones on the market. On the market is the correct usage. One of the best novels that I read lately is The Silent Patient. One of the best novels that I have read lately is The Silent Patient. Lately is usually used with present perfect tense. When Raam knocked the door, I was washing my face. When Raam knocked on the door, I was washing my face. Knock on the door, or knock at the door is correct.